Hello guys and good day. Mayroong common na katanungan guys kung alin daw ba ang mas powerful, ang 2-stroke or yung 4-stroke engine. Ang main engine kasi natin guys ay 2-stroke engine at ang generator engine natin guys ay 4-stroke engine.
What's more powerful, the 2-stroke engine or the 4-stroke engine? The answer is more complex than you might think. Let's have a look at why. With the 2-stroke engine, we have the power stroke and the compression stroke. The power stroke is where the combustion forces the piston down to provide power. During the same stroke, exhaust gases exit while fresh air and fuel enter the cylinder. The compression stroke which follows squeezes the fresh air and fuel before combustion. Therefore, we have the 4 essential functions occurring in just 2 strokes. 4-stroke engine, on the other hand, has dedicated strokes for the air and fuel intake, compression, power, and exhaust. This makes each function more effective. The 2-stroke engine is generally more powerful as it has a power stroke twice as often as the 4-stroke engine. But this does not mean it's twice as powerful. Plotting cylinder volume by pressure gives charts like these, and the swept area is equal to the mechanical work done or energy provided. With the 4-stroke engine, we see greater chart area because of the better intake, exhaust, and compression. This means the 4-stroke engine has more powerful and efficient power strokes, which in some cases makes up for much of the power loss.
So yun guys, no, napakinggan nyo naman yung magandang explanation ng speaker natin. Kaya lang medyo confusing yung kanyang explanation. Gawa nga ng nung una, sinasabi niya na yung 2-stroke ang more powerful. Pero nung bandang huli, binawi naman niya na ang 4-stroke daw ay mas powerful and fuel efficient. Pero sa totoo lang guys, no, ang 2-stroke talaga is more powerful than 4-stroke engine. Bakit? Sa 2-stroke engine guys, bawat ikot isang putok. Yan ang power. Ang 4-stroke engine kasi guys, kailangan pang 2 ikot bago siya magka-power. So, sa alin ang mas powerful, 'di ba? Pangalawa guys. Kaya nga guys, no, sa mga barko, ang main engine talaga niyan, ang gamit ay 2-stroke engine. Low speed ang 2-stroke engine, while yung 4-stroke guys is high speed engine yan guys. Kaya ginamit yan guys sa mga generator lang natin guys. So, para sa akin guys, no, 2-stroke yung more powerful. Yan lang guys.